Talking about gesture drawing, there's no good or bad way on how to approach your gesture drawing. But I could assure you that there are some things that you can do in gesture drawing that is going to improve your overall general drawing when it comes to the human anatomy. And in this tutorial, I want to talk to you about what you could do in gesture drawing that improves your figure drawing in general. So I'd like you to stay tuned, watch till the end, like and subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this. My name is Bolo Korede. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So basically, what is gesture drawing? Gesture drawing is a drawing that capture poses, they capture the mold, and they capture the simplification of a figure that you're looking at. So gesture is not purposely when you have to make that figure detail for detail. It's just basically you trying to get the exact movement and the exact shape of that particular pose. So, what are the major things you need to consider in gesture drawing? The number one is your use of lines. Line can show your confidence level when you're drawing. So that's aside. The three basic lines you want to use. The first one is called a C, the second an S, and the third an I. And I'm going to demonstrate how you want to use the C, S, and the I in your gesture drawing. Alright, so here's my image, and the first thing I can see is from the head to the shoe. I'm looking at my reference. I'm trying to look at my sketch pad, trying to tell myself how tall I want my drawing or how much space I want that particular drawing to occupy in my page. The first thing I like doing when I'm doing a gesture drawing is use a basic circle for the head. Then I try to indicate where the head is facing. And that's how I do my gesture. So once I've have this down, and the goal is not to be accurate, the goal is to be able to tell a story, to be able to tell what the pose is doing at the moment. I go back to my spine, which move this way. This is the way my spine is behaving. And then one of the biggest thing I can see is this big C that my character has here. But before I go into that, I like looking for this particular lean into it. So I do this. Then I can exaggerate over the front. So I know this is also coming this way. And I have this. Now that I have this, I can then come down. This is the knee. This is the remaining part of the leg. So this is my feet. Here I'm to bring out the arm. This is what my arms look like. Nothing elongated in that particular part. And I can feel tension around this area. So these are basically called dropping lines. I'm just trying to use them to indicate the form and the directions in which this is trying to go for the rib cage. And then I have this. So because the other leg is at the back, I can just do this. And then kind of have this at the back. So basically this is my representation of what I'm seeing in my front. Another interesting picture I have is this. Another interesting picture I have is this particular pose. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did with this. I'm going to do it on the next pose, and you're going to see how I approach it in real life as well. So just like the usual, the both standing pose, which means they still having the same height. I'm going to start with my head. I can indicate that this is how she's facing. Then from here I can have the neck, which is the spine, and I see this is how shoulder is coming, a little bit like this. And now it's going to be a little bit tricky at this part because it looks like the waist that she has is a little bit tiny, and then she has this bigger hips. But one of the trends I try to find is, even when I'm looking at the her waist, I try to look at where can I see the most visible push in for her waist, so I can put my contour there. So this comes in this way, and then I make this goes this way. And when you're done, as you can see, definitely this is coming this way. From here I can make my leg straight down, like in a compulsory but and then for my other legs I'm going to have these. This is my arm coming in. And then this is the other arm here on this part coming out. And when I'm done, now I just want to hope that you can see the lines here. And that's my representation of this particular pose. And for the last example, it's a certain figure. I definitely want to try around this particular area so I don't run out of space. And looking at her whole position, I know she's going to come into this particular model I have it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to start with the head as well. Then indicate her head. I can see that by the way she's looking, she's bringing forward her head. And then here, the spine. Just as always, look at the part that is most closer or most thinner in your pose to the waist, and look at the part that you can absolutely just turn into a straight C or a straight S or a straight I. So I can turn this particular part into my thinnest portion of the waist here, and then I can come from here. As you can see, I want to make this go like this. This is how the torso is gonna look like, and this is for the rib cage. So from here, I know our leg is somewhere around here. that's my representation of this. Okay, so basically with this tutorial here, as you can see the drawing, I hope you're able to like make your own gesture drawing. Now you can see how each of the poses is divine. If you like my content, I want you to like this video so YouTube can help me share it to more people who are interested in getting to be familiar with the subject, and kindly subscribe to my channel so you can get more and more content like this.